In this video tutorial, we will learn to create this slide up navbar effect when we scroll. As you see, only logo part of navbar is hidden and other part sticks out when we scroll. At the end of this tutorial, I will also teach you how you can completely hide navbar rather than partially hiding it. Now let us move to the code editor. First of all, let us create navbar in our HTML page. Now let us add some dummy text as a content. We are done for our HTML part. Now we need to add styles to our index page. As you scroll, navbar is fixed. This was due to the CSS that we have added. Since we have set position property for navbar container to fix, but we want sliding navbar effect, so we need to add few lines of JavaScript for that. This event handler will be triggered whenever you scroll on your index.html page. Here we need two variables, so let us add them. All three of these do same thing, that is, it returns number of pixels an element is scrolled vertically. We are including all three of them for browser support. This math.max function simply returns maximum value among those three parameters. Now we can add a conditional. We want to show sliding effect whenever our scroll top value is greater than 30. Otherwise, we want to reset our navbar to its original position. So if you want your entire navbar to go away, you can change this from -4 to -7 rem. You will get your desired effect. Let me reset it back. That was it for today's tutorial. Hope you liked this video. All the code that I have written here is available in Github Repo, link to which is provided in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.